Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, I appreciate your support. If you're interested in all things motherhood, DIYs, organization, cleaning videos, shopping hauls, grocery shopping hauls, you name it, I am here for it and you have come to the right place. This week's video is going to be yet another IPSY review. Yes, let me stop you there. I know I said that I was going to cancel it, but as you know, life happens and I forgot to cancel it, and then next thing you know, I got one in the mail. So I figured you guys had some really great comments and you really loved it. You did a lot of comments on my Instagram page about this IPSY review, so why not do another one? So if you want to find out what's in this bag, stay tuned. Okay, so it looks like I have yet another month of IPSY. They have gotten yet another, what is it, $13 or $15 from me because I just have not gotten around to canceling it yet. But fear not, because that just gives me an opportunity to share some more makeup stuff with you guys. And you know, you guys seem to have really liked the last one, so I wanted to share this with you. So let's get right into it. I did not open it, so I'm actually opening it with you. So here we go. Let's see what goodies we got in here. And listen guys, honestly, if I see one, I'm going to make sure to add in the last subscription review that I did. But I'm telling you from now, as you guys see, I'm opening it as we speak. If I see one mauve anything in here, I think I'm literally going to scream. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this has a very strong chemical smell. My goodness. All right, let's take a look at the bag. The bag is cute, I guess. Not for me. Oh, but it has a very strong chemical smell. I don't know where they the smell is strong, guys. That's all I can say. It is very strong. I guess this could be cute. All right, let me give it a chance. You have like a navy blue, a cream, and like a camel color here. So I guess, you know, if you're wearing something, any of these colors, I guess this is supposed to be fallish. I don't even know. Isn't this supposed to be like the December bag, or is this November bag? I don't even know. Oh, I guess this is the November bag. So I guess this does give me fall, right? This gives me like, I'm going to Starbucks. I just want like a pumpkin latte, I guess. I'm then after that gonna do a Target run, like perhaps the Starbucks. Let's set the mood. Perhaps the Starbucks is in the Target, okay? And I'm running in. I just have a few items to get. It's a little chilly outside, so I have on like a camel coat of some sort. And I say, why not throw this little bag with it? I guess I can see that. All right. You guys got me on that. All right, so one thing I do like that they have added in, they did not have like last year, is they actually give you like a little cheat sheet that tells you everything. Let me see if I can get this into view for you. There we go. Yeah, it gives you a rundown of each of the items that you get into the bag. So this time I got another mascara, which you know I love. They can never give me enough mascaras because, as I told you in my last video, I love to use like 2 to 3 different brands at a time. I layer on that mascara thick. So with the size that they come in, because they usually give you the sample mascaras, I run through them fast. So they can never give me enough mascaras. That I love. The next thing they have is the concealer detail brush. I mean, I don't really need another brush. I have at least 50 of them, but I mean, what's 51? It's fine. Oh, and then they gave us a fragrance, which is nice. You get a little moisture cream. Again, these I never use. I don't use any moisturizers on my face except the specific ones that I use. I'll do, actually, I'm thinking about doing a separate video on like what my skin routine is, because a lot of you guys do ask me that. I will not lie, a lot of it has to do with my genes. Thank you, Mom, I love you. I try not to use like random moisturizers on my face because I break out very easily. My skin is extremely sensitive, so I have to be very careful with that. And then the last thing they have here, oh, that's fun. They have a nail polish. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, you take a quiz and you can let them know how often or how rare you would like to receive specific types of products. I think with nail polish I put rare, so that it maybe comes, I probably get it like once every 3 to 4 months. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so let's take a look at the nail polish first. Very nice packaging. It's by a company called Mischo, M-I-S-C-H-O. Very nice box. Half black, half white. I love that cross diagonal line. It makes it look very luxe. I'm just ripping up the box, honestly, guys, because I would never keep my nail polish in a box anyway. Oh, this is a nice little, it almost gives me, do you remember, what was this? Comment below. I don't remember the name of it. Was it Trésor? Do you remember the perfume that used to come like this, except it was, the color of the perfume was orange. It was in a clear glass bottle and it had the same round top. I think it was Trésor. Anyway, this is a very nice, I actually like this color a lot. It's like a nice mauve pink, but that's okay because it's a nail polish. I'm all right with a nail polish. I'm not okay with another mauve blush. And it looks like they must have watched my video in my head and they must have said,
let's stop sending Nicole the mauve blushes before she reads us on the next YouTube video.
So thank you for that. But this is a very nice color. I love it. Very pretty. Let's see what comes in here next. We have commodity. Oh, this is the perfume. Plain black. I like it's like a nice matte box. It's giving me but it has like a suede feel to it. Very nice. I'm big on packaging. Same thing with food. If you guys watch my IGs where I take you, my IG stories when I take you through how I cook dinner, I'm big on presentation. So I like to feel the box. Even if I'm getting ready to throw it away, I like to see how are you presenting your product to me. And this is very nice. It's like a nice suede feel on the box. The brand is called Gold Commodity. I've never heard of it, but let's see how they explain it. It's a warm and lustrous, precious material to be desired. That's just the definition of gold. I guess they're being a little dramatic there. Let's see how they describe, oh my God, I know I'm gonna love it. Oh my God, I know I'm gonna love it. Oh my God, before I even smell it, because it has some of my favorite scents. So some of my favorite scents would be bergamot, sandalwood, frankincense, what is the other one that I love? And myrrh. Like those type of very woodsy, warm, rich color scents, I absolutely love them. And I usually, whenever I purchase essential oils, they usually have some mix of those scents in there. So this one says decadent notes of bergamot, amber, sandalwood, and vanilla. I love that. I'm excited. I can't wait to smell it. Please don't disappoint me. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys. This smells so good. It is a very woodsy and warm scent. I do feel like the vanilla is a little bit too strong for me, as you guys know if you've watched my videos, which I'm sure you have because we're all just like one big happy family, right? Vanilla to me is a very expected scent. I'm not really a fan of it. So the vanilla is a little strong. However, that nice balance of the bergamot, the amber, oh my God, and that sandalwood is perfection. This is a good one. It's called Gold by Commodity. Very nice scent. I love that. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so this is your banana souffle moisture cream. It's supposed to be calming and hydrating. It's a glow recipe.
Well, honey, I already glow, so mama doesn't need any more glowing than she has already, but that's fine.
Let's just feel the texture. I always like to feel the texture of these things, even though I won't use it. Oh, it's double. Hold on. I'm trying to open up. It's a nice small size. I think what I like about these, I know that they're sample sizes, but what I love about it is that it gives you an opportunity to try something new. okay? And if you like it, you can go ahead and buy the regular size. And one thing I do like also that they include in the rundown is they also tell you the price of the actual regular size. So for this one, if you were to buy the regular size version, the full size, it would be $39, and then the perfume would be $105. That's absolutely worth it. It does smell that good. It does smell that good. The mascara, oh wait, we didn't get to that yet, but the perfume, I mean the nail polish we did get to was $20. A little pricey to me. Let me see. It does call it a rose color polish, okay, similar to mauve. And they said it's long lasting. I don't know, it better be long lasting for $20. I mean, I'm just saying, that's fine. All right, so let's give, oh guys, this is literally like a souffle. It has like a really nice, let me see if I can get that in for you. It has a very nice texture, nice and light. Ooh. Oh, and it smells like banana. Oh, that's so funny. And it feels really nice. It's a very nice, light, it's not a weighty type of cream. It's very nice and light. I could definitely see, okay, so you know when you're getting ready to go to the gym. Me personally, I don't wear makeup to the gym. Shout out to the girls that have arched eyebrows and the full lipstick and everything at the gym. I go to the gym to sweat and really do my business. I don't have time to look like the way I look now. And besides, I'm gorgeous without makeup. Let's just be honest, but it's fine. I like to put on a little moisturizer because especially in the winter, when I wash my face in the morning, I feel my face feels really dry. However, to go to bed, my night cream is really heavy. I would not want to wear that to go to the gym because it's just too thick. It gives me like it makes me feel like I have on makeup when I start to sweat in the gym. It makes you feel like it's very cakey. So what I love about this, I say all that to say, this particular souffle, it's really nice and light that it would feel, I mean, again, I'm not gonna wear it, but if I were to wear it, I could imagine that going to the gym, it would be a really nice light cream. So if you do sweat, you don't have that feeling like you have on all this foundation and it's like sweating off of you. So that's a really nice touch on that. And the last one is my mascara. This is by IPSY and spelled E-Y-E-K-O. A nice small size. I do like these as well, especially for traveling. Because when I'm traveling, you know, you have to be mindful. I believe now with the whole virus situation, they're allowing 4 ounces and under, I believe, to travel. But again, typically in the normal world, it's 3 ounces. And I personally love these sizes because then it makes me feel like I can take 2 or 3 of them and it's not taking up a large amount of space, because 2 or 3 mascaras might not sound like a lot, but when you start to have 2 or 3 of everything, regular size, then now this full size item starts taking up, these full size items, excuse me, start taking up too much space in your bag. So it's great to have these. And that's one of the things I really do like IPSY for, is the sizes, because those sample sizes really give me an opportunity to not have to think when it comes to packing my makeup. I can just take 2 or 3 lipsticks, 2 or 3 mascaras and not have to worry about it taking up too much space. Now this one is not waterproof. I am not a fan of waterproof mascara. I only wear waterproof mascara to like weddings, maybe a baby shower. I don't like them because I just find it's too much work to take it off. My eyes are super sensitive, and I find that when I wear waterproof mascara, my eyes tend to have like this burning sensation for some reason. So I try not to wear that. But anyway, this is, let's see, I like to look at the brush. I always love to see the brush. Oh, this is a fancy shaped brush. Do you see that? That's very pretty. Okay, and let me see. Is this the smell that I was smelling when I first opened it? I mean, it was such a strong chemical smell when I opened that bag. I did not like that. But the regular size of that is $26. And let me see, this is supposed to have definition, which I love. So when I told you that I layer on mascaras, I am deliberate in the ones I choose, because sometimes you need ones that separate if you're also using a volumizer, because a lot of times the volumizers tend to make them clumpy. But if I want to have a little bit more definition, especially at the ends to kind of stretch them out a bit, I love to have one that is a volumizer, a lengthening one, because those, they usually define it, and it helps to kind of really see the lashes and not these huge clumps. So that's one of my favorite things to do. So really you're looking at what? Lengthening, volumizing, definition. So ideally when I'm using 3 of them, I want each of them to have a total of those 3 items, and that really helps my eyelashes to look like a lot longer when I fan them out. And as I said in my last video, what I usually do with mascara, I put on a coat, top, bottom, bottom, let it dry for maybe like a minute or a minute and a half. You don't want it to fully dry. You want it to be almost dry, and then you run another coat, because if you keep running the coats top, bottom, bottom, top, bottom, bottom, you'll be there all day, because it's not getting an opportunity to kind of start to dry so that it can stretch out that next round. And then by that 3rd coat, you are golden. I think that's it. So those are the 5 items. I got the mascara, I got the cream, the nail polish, that wonderful perfume, and the 5th thing was, oh, the concealer brush. Where was that? That's the other thing. A lot of times the brushes, because they're too large to fit in the bag, they won't actually package it inside the bag. So this is a concealer. Oh, I actually love this. It has it's not light. I like when my brushes have a little bit of depth to it, so that when you're stabbing it against your hand like this, it should not feel like super soft. It should feel very it should feel like it has a lot of bristles, so it feels a little bit strong, because especially if you're doing like a smoky eye and you're getting it right here in that crease, you want it to have a little bit of depth to it, so that it doesn't feel like the powder is just going all over the place. Because then you'll especially if it's like a dark color, you're gonna end up looking like you have these stray pieces of the pigment all over your eye. You wanna have it right where you want it to be, and these type of dense brushes really help with that. So I like this brush. This brush is by Vasanti, and they call it an angle concealer detailer. I never use brushes for what they say they're going to be used for. This I would use to smoke my eye out. That's just my personal opinion. Let me tell you what the price of that one would be. Oh, it's $19. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, the average cost on brushes, you're running from, I mean, 15 to maybe 60 bucks. So that's not, this is on the lower end. $19 is not bad. So that's it. So we got the concealer brush, we got the mascara, we got the perfume, we've got the moisture cream, and we got the nail polish. I would say my favorite, of course, is the perfume. I would say next in line would be the brush and the mascara. And then the nail polish and the cream I really wouldn't use, so that's why I put it as number 5. But thank you guys so much for staying with us until the end. We always appreciate you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, for the rest of the year, we will be doing 2, sometimes more per week videos, and I want to make sure that you guys support us. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate it. We are growing at a nice rate. We appreciate you guys every single week coming back and commenting. Make sure you check out our Instagram channel, For the Love of Peyton. And as always, we love you guys for watching. Until next time.